Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video we are going to learn basic configuration of Paloalto Firewall. So friends, you can see this is my LAN zone, okay? Zone LAN here and its IP 10.1.1 and this is my DMZ zone, okay? IP address range is 20 and this is my outside and management. My management firewall management IP 192.168. You can see my firewall management IP is. So friends, first we will see how to create interface, how to assign IP to the interface, and how to create policy to allow from here to here and to allow from here to here traffic. Okay. So friends, we'll see types of interface and how to configure interface. Okay. So let us start here. So friends, you can see this is a dashboard of the Paloalto firewall. Here is a description. So to configure interfaces, we have to go to network tab. Okay. So you can see in network tab, we have ATH1/1, Ethernet 1/2, Ethernet 1/3. So my DMZ zone, LAN zone, ATH 1/1 and ATH 1/2 of the DMZ zone. So first we'll configure it is one selection lens segment, okay, or we can create first zone here. We can also create zone from here, zone and then click on it, okay. We'll show you another method, okay. Go to interface and go to Ethernet 1/1. Here we can comment here, put comment LAN. So friends, you can see interface type is tab. Means we have to, if you want to capture traffic, mirror this interface, then you can select tap here, or H interface, virtual wire for transfer mode, L2 interface or L3. So we'll select L3 interface. Okay. Now we have to click here IP version 4. Then we can click, if you want to assign IP via DCP, then you can select a DCP client, or static. We have to assign IP via static. Okay. Now click on add. You can put IP here 172, sorry, 10.1.1.1/24. Okay, press enter. Now click on OK. Now advanced HTML, nothing is there. Okay, now click on advanced. We can select here like management profile also. Okay, what profile we can give. So right now, not going to configure management profile. Okay, we have to select virtual router. Virtual router would be default. And security zone, we need to create here security zone. To which security zone this interface will be belong. So click here and new. Now security zone name like LAN. Okay. Now click on OK. No need to select interface. Already we have selected here. Then you can see our interface ETH1 or Ethernet 1/1 will be part of the LAN zone. Okay. Now click on OK. Now we can see L3 interface state link down here still. Now we have to configure it just one. Now we have to configure Ethernet 1/2, Ethernet 1/2 part of the DMZ zone. Okay, 1/2. So DMZ interface type would be L3. Okay, and oh, click on IP version 4, add IP 20.1.1.1/24. Now click on OK. Sorry, okay, 24. Now go to config again, and here we will select default router. Zone will be new zone. Here DMZ. Click on OK. Now click on OK. Now friends, we will configure route for this subnet, okay, 172.16.1.1. Next hop will be 20, 21.1.10. Okay, now we have to configure route, go to network and virtual wire router. Okay, default, go to default. Now we have to configure default static route. Now click add here. So now put here destination now on DMZ. Now destination will be 172.16.1.1. Next of IP address, you can select interface here. 1/2 it will pass through. Also, we need to give IP address of next of 20.1.1.10. Okay, now it's done. 172.16.1.1/32. Okay, now interface. Now click on OK. Okay. Now route, we have put it route here. Now we'll create policy for to allow traffic from source to destination 10.10.1 to 10.10.20. Okay. So go to policy, then security policy. Now click on add here. Now LAN to DMZ. Okay. Source address, source zone will be LAN, and source address will be 10.1.subnet. We can create a specific here. Okay. Create new address. LAN. We can create object LAN. Okay. 10.1.1.0 net mask 10.1.1.0/24. Okay, so nothing. Now click on destination. Destination zone will be DMZ. Address will be 20.1.1.0/24, and will add another address. Okay, another address is loopback here. DMZ loopback. Okay, DMZ L0/32. Okay. Application will be any URL, any action will be allow log at the end. Okay, action will be allow. Now click on OK. Now we'll commit the changes here. Go to commit here and click on commit. Now before still policy installation is going on, so let's see able to ping or not. Now friends, you can see policy installation completed successfully. Okay. Now let's see the interfaces is up or not. Interfaces up, you can see. Now let's see the traffic. Now friends, let's check the traffic from source to destination. Ping. Now we have configured the IP address of the PC. Now ping again. So first packet drop. Now you can see we're able to ping here. Also we can check here loopback of DMZ ping 172.16.1.1. Okay, we are able to ping here. Okay, now we have. So friends, we saw that how to configure interfaces and policies here. Okay, in next video we'll see complex issue like netting, IPsec BP and other things will do one by one. Okay. Internet, HA, multiple things will do. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.